Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Wednesday, the 14th of June. I've had a really big heat wave on it lately, so I'm just going around. This is the first time I've watered everything. Trying to save on the water bill, because I'm on a water meter. So everything's looking a little bit bedraggled at the moment. I'm going to give them a soak this evening and get up early in the morning. Give them another soak before it gets hot. I find by watering when the sun's setting, it gives it a chance to cool off and soak in. If you try and do it during the heat of the day, it just evaporates. But as you can see, I've got some nice foxgloves, beautiful peonies there. Down here we have some really beautiful perennial geraniums there. So look, shall we? We have, these are my daylilies here, folks, which they're going to look epic. Alliums that have just finished flowering there. Hostas, and you see the slugs and snails absolutely muller those. And then we have here a lily, which is scented variety. This foxglove, the bees and butterflies absolutely gone mad for that. Onto the lawn, shall we? Here we have. See how dry this is. Absolutely bone dry. That peony's gone over because it's dehydrated. So this one here is in the shade. But the scent on these is absolutely, wow, it's epic. Cannot recommend scented peonies enough. Absolutely gorgeous. This lupin, just setting seed now, just about gone over. I normally prune them back to get some extra flowers, but I haven't bothered this year. Yeah, we'll give it a really good water, and then we'll come back tomorrow morning, give it another water, and hopefully my water bill is not going to be too bad. Like I said, this is the first time I've watered everything this year, so trying to keep the water bill down. See some sticky budweeds there at the back. But this bed here gets sun all day, so I find that this one really does dry out. Yeah, hollyhocks there, some white giant joys, oriental poppies there. Give this tree a really good soak underneath. Yeah, absolutely love this time in the evening. Epic sunshine. But yeah, I'll give this a really good water. Then we'll stake these tomorrow, so they don't get spoilt. And down here we have, these are my bearded irises, which are looking epic. Another peony there. Then we have, just at the front there, delphiniums that have grown from seed. As you come down here, beautiful electric blue delphiniums. As you can see, they've suffered because of the little bit of drought we've been having. So I'm giving everything a really good soak tonight. And this is Cosmea, this one. It's called Lucifer. This will be setting flower soon. There's a beautiful lupin there. But these foxgloves, can't recommend getting them enough. I want to get them if you've got children, because they can be poisonous. Well, they are poisonous. But yeah, come down here, and that's about it. I've given it a really good. I've been out here about an hour watering, so everything's had a really good soak. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my garden or anything I've grown from seed, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.